Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're still in Istanbul here, in a district called Fatih, and what we're going to do today is that we're going to take a stroll around probably one of the busiest markets here in Istanbul, called the Grand Bazaar, where you get anything, you know, all the clothing, yeah, all sort of like high-end brands like Ralph Lauren and Polo and Tommy Hilfiger and all that sort of clothing. All right, so yeah, let's get on with it. I don't know how busy it is down here today, guys. I haven't been down here yet, but I was down here yesterday, and it was super duper packed.
You send YouTube?
Yeah.
What's the name?
City Tours by Jonathan and Louis.
Okay?
Yeah. You can scan this barcode.
This is your...
Yeah. You as well.
Look, I follow you, look.
Oh yeah. Check this out.
He's good man,
Yeah.
follow him.
Thanks, guys. That's not as busy as it was here yesterday. Yesterday you couldn't walk through here, so this is a little bit more comfortable.
How are you?
Good, you?
I'm fine.
That's good.
Don't like shoes?
What general price did he sort of sell at?
Brother, 600, 800, 900.
And what's that in about euro?
Euros 20 or 25, 30, 35, 40.
For all these sort of brands?
Yeah.
That's good, thank you.
England.
Ireland. Yeah.
That is a serial number.
So you have all these sort of handbags. Hey, what sort of general price did he sort of go for?
How much do you want? This is okay. Today is Sunday.
Today's Sunday, yeah.
My discount day.
Yeah, discount day.
Yeah.
So what general price would this be? I just want to show people on my channel like what the good prices are here.
20 euro.
About 20 euros for this sort of product.
Together.
Oh wow, that's really good.
Yeah. My discount day.
Yeah.
I have small size 10 euro, 15 euro.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Many models, many price.
Okay.
10, 15, maximum 20.
Okay, that's perfect. Thank you so much.
Right,
Have a good day.
discount day. Remember me.
Sunday. Yeah. Thank you. There you go, guys. Get yourself a pair of runners for about 15, 20 euros, and you get yourself a nice handbag for about 20 euros.
How much did you give it?
Got nice denims. Lovely denim jeans here. Hello.
How are you?
Good, you?
Very good, thank you.
No, thank you.
Welcome to Istanbul.
Thank you.
Where are you guys going? Why don't we look at some stuff? Oh, you just said you had to go with it. I know, but this is also part of the bazaar now.
Hey. Some lovely stuff though, in fairness. Really lovely stuff. Got all your football shirts there. 300 lira. It's about €15. So you got some nice jackets here, €40. So that, I like that. It's really good quality, guys. Really nice. There's all your football shirts again there. So €20 for a nice football short, tracksuit tops. Look, you can even get all the children's stuff. Look. Excuse me, sir. How much is it for children's tracksuit top?
Camera no, brother.
Huh?
No camera.
No camera. It's okay.
Hello.
Leather jacket, you want to see?
No.
Want to see?
Got some nice polo shorts there. Look. Really nice. All shoes, fixed price, €20.
Serbia.
You got nice belts, wallets.
Dobre, triko, polos triko, frate.
Sap,
Так, пошлите?
Shoes, my friend?
No, thank you.
Tamam.
Some really nice shorts there now, I like them. That's my sort of style. Short there now. Really nice.
ये कहने वाला था कि कभी मेरा जिद और मन होता है खुला ही रहता है अभी भी खुला
There's more of them shorts there. Look at the colours are lovely, aren't they? Look at the greens there. They're really nice. Nice and soft. I like that green one there. That green one there and that sort of fawn, is it? Cream? Lovely colours. Really nice colours.
On zakończył ten przejazd wcześniej, więc daj mu po prostu tam 200 tam lirów albo tak.
Lovely polo shorts.
Jakby coś chciał. 200 lirów albo 5 dolarów.
And it just continues, as you can see, all up there. Look. They're lovely tops, aren't they? Well, there you have it, guys. What do you reckon? Grand Bazaar market here in Istanbul. That's really it from me, guys. Hope that walk was a bit informative. And yeah, I'm going to walk down now and see if I can get myself one of those polo shorts. I think they're about €10. Alright, guys. Until next time. Slanet. Peace.
Hop, su içen su.